Now, a lot of young people are struggling in relationships. Why do you think this is happening?
Because relationships expose us. They mirror our wounds, our fears, our insecurities, and our unhealed parts. Two unhealed individuals will always fight. You see, a boy seeks validation, a man seeks partnership, a girl seeks rescue, a woman seeks alignment. Most relationships fail not because of love, but because of emotional immaturity. Healthy relationships are the result of two healed individuals. Love is easy. The real work is in the healing.
God, really have to have fun. These things are coming in can fast and very deep.
The real round table.